Hey, you two, welcome back. Do you know you're supposed to activate iPhone 14 Pro or the iPhone 14 Pro Max? Currently, it is on 12 megapixel. So today I'm going to show you guys a tutorial on how to activate 48 megapixel. So it doesn't come standard when they ship you the phone. So you need to go to setting, and you're gonna scroll down. Scroll down to camera. And after that, you're gonna go to format. And then right here, you need to select Apple Pro RAW. And then that's your 48 megapixel. And also App Pro resolution. So now you could toggle 12 megapixel or 48 megapixel, okay? If you're gonna change it back later on. So now the settings are in place. You need to turn on Pro RAW in the camera app. So we're gonna open the camera app and then tap RAW in the top right of the screen. Alright, so now you see RAW right here. As you see, now it's in 48 megapixel now. So let me take a picture. This one is 48 megapixel. Oh, forgot to click on the RAW. This one is 48 megapixel RAW. And then let's switch back to 12 megapixel. Let's go and check it out. So this one is the 12 megapixel. And then this one is 48. Yeah, you can tell the 48 megapixel, it is less grainy, okay? And when you click on the live, then the RAW is disappear, okay? So make sure you select on RAW without the live photo. So yeah, anyway, that's how you set your iPhone 14 Pro or your 14 Pro Max to a 48 megapixel. And if you wanted to switch it back, just go to setting and then turn this off. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always. Peace.